Gicunji kinene kia ndumiriri ya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta umuthe mambura-ini ma 58 ma madaraka kaunti-ini ya Githumo kiuma gia kuruta ruhonge rwa magoti mahitia. Thutha wa gukira kwa ihinda kumariria majaji atano a igoti rinene nio Jairus Nga, Chacha Mwita, Professor Joel Ngugi, Teresia Matheka na George Odunga mateyanirie mubango mugima wa BBI. Umuthe President niyaririe guko akioneka gukirira itua ria majaji aya atano.
As a consequence of 2017, we initiated together with millions of Kenyans the BBI process that was meant to build bridges and create inclusive politics and end ethnic majoritarianism.
Agicokia makinya githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2017 kia president na kiria giateaniirio ni majaji a igoti ritogiru. President niatariirie hathara iria bururi watongirio ya kibesha guku akiuga rita riri majaji aya atano ni magirambire kuita kamucemanio matanarekereria itua riao.
Then there are questions the judiciary would have asked. If we indeed were at a constitutional moment, is a decision against BBI a decision in support of the status quo? If BBI were to be stopped, who carries the burden of choice? On whose shoulders will ethnic majoritarianism rest? And who will carry the burden of losing 30% of our national budget every 5 years due to the toxic politics that BBI sought to resolve?
Kuringana na Uhuru, ruhonge rwa magoti nirukite muno na kwagarira mihaka ona ningi kwagira kiene wedi wa muingi maundu-ini ngurani.
If the court had subjected its decision to stop BBI to a cost-benefit analysis, in other words, if it had considered the burden of choice,
miario ino yake yukite uriri cira wa BBI utanyetwo kwambiriria muthenya wa rucio igoti-ini ria gucokia cira riko, na noguo mitaratara ngurani igakorwo ikiarirwo ya uria cira uyu gutwarithio na mbere. Riri ti rita ria mbere president arahĩngĩcana na ruhonge rwa magoti kuona thutha wa gukanjwo gwa githurano kia president kia mwaka wa 2017 no wanĩrĩire ni megukorwo makirora weru ruhonge ruru, undu uria wacũngĩrĩirie bajeti ya ruhonge rwa magoti kurengwo. Irifotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Nũngari wa Kamau.